morning, guys. Hope you're all well. Right, yeah, we've got third cut out the way, and you see, got the old plough on again. Do a bit of ploughing. So we've got muck spreaders down here, Lauren and Richard and Derek down here spreading muck, and we're going to be getting some lime on as well. So we'll see what there's a bit heap of lime, so I'll be lime spreaders will be turning up shortly. I think I saw one of them yesterday, came past the farm. It was a JCB fast track, don't know the model, and his spreader on it had a IAB on it. So I will, I've got my drone, so a bit of action today. We'll see what we can get. See if we can get a bit of all this action down here. Probably can't see muck spreaders for me mirror. There's Richard on the tractor with the West tanker spreader. Got a mucky lens, it's better. So we'll get into the field and I'll suss job out, see quite where I want to start. Have a bit of setting up to do. I think looks a bit there. Richard just had a bit of a runaway on the sheet then. Two big skid marks downfield and two skid marks in tractor cab. So see where we are. There's Lauren on the TM. She's going to take a bit of travelling on this shit. Just having a look here. I might have to put a couple of short runs here. Some bits of our tree branch sticking out up there, and just thinking if I put a run down here next to this gorse bush, and then next run will be straight up the field. We should have had a chainsaw maybe, I think. Yeah, bits of bush sticking out there. Anyhow, I will we'll get it opened up. We'll join you when we've got a good start, I think. Yeah, I'm thinking I'll put a run down here. Then I should have a straight run. Straight run back upfield then. That's my theory anyway. Whether it works or not, we will see. We've got the lime spreaders now in the same field as us. It's a JCB Fast Track KRM spreader. He's got an IAB on it to fill it up. Turn my fans off a minute, don't be sucking that dust in. I'm not sure what model Fast Track it is. Yeah, I'm not even going to bother try flying drone today because I'm having such a chew on. I just shan't be bothering. Yes. This field's been an absolute twat. So this slack hole here, down here where I am now, I've ploughed a lump crossover there. It's because I could not get ploughed through it. It's just a frigging mess over there. I don't know how much of it you can pick up on camera, all the grass. So the problem is, when you start ploughing through the dip hole, the plough starts to run light, and then of course it bungs up. So it's just been an absolute ball ache to get started, really. Yeah, it just is not pretty one little bit. So it's a bit of a mess really, if I'm being honest with you. Must be something going on over there. JCB's heading to a muck spreader. So I'm just going through a bit of a slack hole now, and it has bunged up a couple of times in here as well, but it's horrible hard grass. There, my front furrow's bloody blocked up again. It's fallen out. Lucky. was hoping this was going to be a nice little job for today. Just do this afternoon. But it's proving otherwise. It's one of them test your patient things. It's certainly testing mine. The fast track and lime spreader's about to come past us, so we'll see what it is. I'm just held up like for muck. Caught muck spreader menu. I still never looked to see what bloody model it was. So yeah, I've just caught the muck spreaders up, so I'm up to muck 8 almost. I'm only 2 runs off it now. I think something's happened our old trifid spreader. Lauren's had to go with that. So don't quite know what the situation is. She's retired with that one. I reckon while I'm just waiting for them to shift that muck, we might as well get drone out. I wasn't going to bother. I can't do it while I'm ploughing today. There's just a bit too much going on with plough today. It's not smooth running, so I'm not messing on with the drone and ploughing. So I'm sorry if you wanted any drone footage of that, but there won't be any today. So I'll get this up in the air. Might be a bit of music, there might not. We'll see what happens. We'll see what comes out in editing. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that little bit of drone footage while I was waiting for him to finish the muck off. Now we're getting back into some stressful ploughing. Coming up to a bit now, another little slack hole that's been causing me a bit of bother. Might be able to see all lumps of grass hanging off. Trouble is, I can't keep my ploughing at the jet coming through it. And then we block up every pissing time. Sometimes if I do this it'll fall out, but it's not gonna do. So I'll just back up. We have to get out with a pissing spade. So this is sort of what I've been putting up with all day. All day. See, it's she's not pretty. So we will get this knocked out. Right. So even I have a chew on, guys, you know. Doesn't matter how good you are at times. Just finding shit off me bits. So it don't matter how good you are. Gonna be like it. If it's like this, there's not a lot you can do apart from persevere. testers, indeed. Data testers. Been going alright for an hour. Yeah. Drives you up the bloody wall, it does. And I know a lot of you guys out there, I mean, you do like my ploughing videos. I mean, some of you think I'm half decent at it. I mean, even George Saunders gave me a picture. Yeah, he was ploughing, doing one on tips and advice. He happened to mention me. When it's like this, you don't sort of feel like you are a good ploughman. Now it's going alright that way. It's just coming downhill. That's when it's giving us bother now. Mate, I can't just show you good land and good ploughing. I've got to be realistic and show you some of this rougher going on and where it's not so good. I know a lot of the videos I've done, it's been in fairly decent going. Nice flat fields. But you might as well see the other side of the job, the rough bits. The bits that you don't do a very good job in and you don't really want other people to see it. here we go, ready for another block up. I've decided to play ball this time. You know, I thought I was going to come down here today. This afternoon I came down. Nice little job for the day. Just nicely for today. Get this done. Get back before dark, that's what I thought. I want to be. It is tough going and all. There we go. That was lucky, that one. It's fallen out. I certainly wouldn't want to put my name to this job because it's pretty crap. As I was saying, you know, you might as well see the bad as well as the good. And this is some of the bad. It's not the worst conditions I've been in. You know, it has been known in the past to have to take all the skimmers off just to get the material through the plough. Mind you, I was borderline on that in here in places. I've got a new set of points and wings back at the farm for it. But I've held off putting them on. I thought I might as well come here with the old set on because I haven't a clue what it was like in here. I didn't know how stone it was going to be or nothing. So it wasn't somewhere I wanted to bring it with brand new wings and points on. Yeah, the sun's a nuisance at this time of year. Why is it flies think they should be in your space? Horrible little creatures they are. Ah, get out, you fucking little bastard. Ground's just levelled up here a bit now, so I'm not having to drop down and back up again. It's just sort of levelled up a bit nicely now for me. Shouldn't speak too soon, should I? Right, does anybody else drive in New Holland and ever have it? When you're shuttling, won't go reverse or forwards, just says, just wants to go in neutral. Does it a few times this when I'm just shuttling. I don't know why, but then you have to switch off and switch on again to get it going again. What am I going to say? I was thinking of something then. Yeah, I'll see. Go on, Jeff, fucking think about it. Yeah, I'll say, yeah, dear, losing the plot today. Well, I was going to say, the other thing I was having a bit of an issue with today is the skimmers won't peel the grass off the top completely. So it's not always dropping into the furrow bottom as it turns over. So what's happening is and the hydraulics didn't want to lift up. So what's happening is instead of my furrows dropping over like that onto one another, say for example getting the front one's going over like that, say, and then the second one standing up over, and what the skimmers are taking off is sitting in there and stopping it from going over. But if it does it down this run, I'll show you. This is almost like the grass is that well rooted and matty. It doesn't, the skimmers don't take it off, it just curls it over. So if it does it down here, we'll get out and I'll show you. I'm not, yeah, it's sort of defeating the object. And I don't want to lift the depth out, so it's trying to turn less soil over because we want the depth. It's not been ploughed for a long time, it's been paddled and panned and right, so there's a bit there. Well, if I go and show you. Oh dear. So you can see it here. The skimmer's curling this over, but it's not coming apart. It won't come off. and they're not taking too much. So then what happens is it's sitting there and it's stopping the furrow coming over and joining that one. It's actually doing it on all four here. If you're looking there, that's what the skimmers took off. That should be laid there, and that should be laid on there. So yeah, it's sort of that well matted. I mean, I'm ploughing, we're about 8 inch in here. You see it there, look, it's just like a mat of roots. See, that had come off. I mean, it is skimming quite a thickness, but the ground is so uneven, you've got spots where it's missing. You see them there, just like they've turned over properly there. I could mess about with the plough forevermore in here. Well, the conditions are so different from 10 yards back there to 10 yards that way, to 15 yards that way. Some of it's been rock hard, and if I didn't have the depth on the plough, it would ride out the ground. So it's one of those, I'm afraid. It's one of those. I mean, where it's turning over now, it's about turning over spot on. There's a little bit different soil down this end. So we'll end this one. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.